everyone. In this video I am trying to show you knife painting. First I want to tell you that I am using here brush because I want to give the base. So once the base work is done, then I will go for the knife work. And here I am using the white color and I am using acrylic colors. With lots of water and white color I have applied white, and then I am going to the light permanent blue acrylic colors. I am doing in a crisscross method. Both the sides I am applying here. Once this is done, to give the depth of the painting I am using cobalt blue below part of the, just to show the sky part I am using this light permanent blue and cobalt blue. And even top side also I will do just a bit of lots of water and with light permanent blue, so that when we are done the tree, little bit of sky should be visible. So I have done this. So just I am doing in a crisscross method both the sides. I had done a little bit of sketching also, a tree, and just I am going to show very simple. In this painting it's very simple, and how to show the strokes, how to hold the knife, and what colors I had used. I will explain everything. And the below part, when it comes to the below part, I am using yellow ochre and white. I have taken lots of white and a pinch of yellow ochre so that it comes very light color. And once this is done, I will use yellow ochre in the below part to show the depth again in that picture. Here is the same thing in the crisscross method I had applied here, both the sides. Once it is finished, and when it comes to the below part, I will use lemon yellow and sap green to show the light and shade. For the light I am using here lemon yellow, and to show the dark part I am using sap green below the tree, under the tree. I am doing it in a slanting method, and even the brush strokes are also very important when doing the painting. Each and every stroke matters a lot. So to show the darker areas, I am showing here with the sap green, and for the lighter colors I had used lemon yellow. So I had used the colors for the base: cerulean blue, cobalt blue, white, yellow ochre, lemon yellow, and sap green. And for the tree I will use black color, and these also just a rough sketch I had done. So once this base part is done with the brush, then we will go for the knife work. And you may have get the doubt, because when we do the knife strokes with the knife, sometimes the white canvas board will be visible if without doing the base part. So that's the reason I had given the base part first. And when we give the strokes, the white canvas board may not be visible. The colors which we had applied, only those colors will be visible. So here I had taken the same colors where I want to apply the same colors, like green or lemon yellow. Once you will watch this video, you will come to know what I am explaining. Just see till end and see the result, how it turns into a beautiful painting. If you watch the till end, you will come to know what I am explaining, and you will understand very well. And here I am using the black color to color the tree and holding in a straight method, so that I will get very thin and sharp branches. So to give the thin branches, we should be very careful while doing that, because each thing matters in the painting. We should plan in the mind before doing the painting. So here I am giving the thin strokes, and always connection should be very strong. So in the connections parts, it should be thick application, while it comes to the edges of the branches, it should be very thin. So like this. So it turns into a beautiful tree. So this is the base method is done, and for the tree we will use lots of colors like lemon yellow, chrome yellow, Indian yellow, vermilion, crimson, and burnt sienna, and I had used even Persian blue also. Just to show you, here I am mixing with the palette knife. I am using it's in a diamond shape. You will get different companies and different sizes, depends upon the comfortable you can use this, but use the diamond shape, it gives the perfect strokes. And I had showed you how to mix the colors. So here I am taken lemon yellow. Just see the strokes how beautifully it's coming. Just hold this, give the strokes in all the directions, right, left, up, down. It looks very beautiful. Once you get the strokes, you just practice the strokes in a rough paper with the different colors, and then you can do it on the canvas board. Once you feel comfortable, you can do it. And practice makes man perfect. So practice, practice, practice. In painting we need lots of patience and observation. So more observation is needed. And here I am using Indian yellow. Just observe the strokes, how beautifully it's coming. So once these strokes are done, once again I will do the tree. And the below part is with again same Indian yellow. I am giving in all the directions, different strokes. Same, even here also I am using that Indian yellow, and even you can use chrome yellow. It also gives beautiful color. And try to do it in different strokes. As I said, just practice in the paper first, in a thick paper, not in A4 size paper, because the acrylic color will stick to that paper. So use any thick cardboard and practice that strokes in all the different, like right, left, up, in crisscross method. And when it comes to the down part, I'm using Indian yellow. That Indian yellow is too bright. I love that Indian yellow. And even we can see cadmium colors. That cadmium colors will give shine. So this Indian yellow is a cadmium Indian yellow, so it gives more shining. You just love the painting when it turns into a beautiful picture. Keep observing how I am doing, using the knife and how giving the strokes. Once this Indian yellow is done, I will use little bit of crimson and vermilion. It doesn't feel lots of difference in both the colors. Maybe a pinch of difference will be there. So even below I am used here lemon yellow. If you want to try something different, you can change the colors. It's not compulsory to use the same colors. And this is the part 1 of this whole series. Stay tuned for the part 2 to see the beautiful painting, how it turns into a beautiful painting. Please like, subscribe and share. This is Lakshmi Danti signing off. Thank you.